Welcome back to GenAI Explained Simply. Today's episode, AI in Education Crafting Prompts for Learning Enhancement, explores how educators can use AI to transform and improve the learning experience. We'll dive into how to craft effective prompts that engage students, personalize learning, and foster deeper understanding across various subjects. First, let's look at how AI can be used to create interactive learning experiences. For instance, a prompt such as generate a quiz based on Chapter 3 of the biology textbook, focusing on human anatomy, including multiple choice and short answer questions, helps AI create targeted educational content that assesses student understanding effectively. This type of prompt ensures that the AI focuses on specific learning objectives and generates relevant questions. Next, we'll explore using AI to facilitate personalized learning paths. A well-crafted prompt might be analyze the learning patterns of student group A from the recent test results and suggest customized follow-up activities to strengthen their understanding of quadratic equations. This prompt enables AI to assess individual or group learning needs and propose tailored educational interventions, thereby enhancing the learning experience for each student. We also consider the role of AI in generating explanatory content that simplifies complex concepts. A prompt like explain the principle of relativity in simple terms suitable for high school students, incorporating diagrams and everyday examples, directs AI to break down complex scientific theories into accessible, engaging formats that are easier for students to comprehend and retain. In addition, AI can support collaborative learning projects. By using a prompt such as design a project that requires teamwork to solve a community problem using sustainable technology, provide guidelines and expected outcomes. Educators can use AI to structure and guide collaborative student activities that are both educational and socially beneficial. As we conclude today's episode, it's clear that prompt engineering is a powerful tool in education, capable of enhancing how we teach and learn. With precise and thoughtful prompts, AI can be leveraged to support diverse educational goals, from personalizing learning experiences to simplifying complex subjects. Thank you for joining me on GenAI Explained Simply. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for our next episode, where we'll explore more innovative ways to integrate AI into everyday life. Discover how to make the most of AI in your teaching practices and significantly impact student learning outcomes.